Hey everybody, Mr. Lawrence here. This is the Piano Adventure series by Nancy and Randall Faber. This is level 2A lesson book, page 19. The name of the song is Mr. Haydn's Theme. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play it one time, and then I'm going to talk to you about some of the information that's on this page, okay? So here is Mr. Haydn's Theme as it's written on the page. Okay, so, and just talking about the song itself, let's take a look at it. Starts forte, then we have some smooth legato playing into staccato, accent on that D, on that octave D right there in the left hand and right hand. Okay, then it moves to mezzo piano, medium soft. So forte, medium soft. Okay, then we have the 5/7 chord to the tonic, okay, the 5/7 to the 1, dominant 7 to the tonic chord there, okay, and we are in the key of G, okay, this is the G 5-finger scale as it's written here, okay. So just read your notes carefully, read your fingering most carefully, okay. Now, let's take a look at the top of the page where it talks about transposing. That means you play it in one key and then you transfer it, or transpose it, I should say, to another key, okay? And the way to do that is just as it says here at the top of the page. Notice it says playing the same piece using different scale, and in this case we have a G scale and a C scale. So playing the same piece using a different scale is called transposing. The note names change, but the intervals stay the same. Intervals, the distance between two notes, or the relationship between notes, okay? So those don't change, okay? So, as I played it a moment ago, we started on the, just as it's written, okay? D, D, G, B, and then D, 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 okay? So, the reason why I point that out, this, once again, this is the G 5-finger scale. If we do this in the C 5-finger scale, well, this is not going to be D any longer, okay? So this is what I want you to think about. If D, think about my question. This is not exactly on the page, okay? D is number 5 on the G 5-finger scale, okay? So like for instance, if we have, let's see if I can write this out. G, A, B, C, D. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's the 5th scale degree. Okay? So if it's D in the key of G, right there, D, or in the key of G for now, okay? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to transpose that to the key of C. Okay, so if we start on C, D, E, F, G, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so whereas this song starts us on D for the G 5-finger scale, well, if we transpose it, we're going to start it on the G for the left hand. Okay, does that make sense? So if this is D, we're going to start it on a G. And if this is G, B, D, D, then we would go 1, 3, 5, 5. Because G, B, D, D. 1, 3, 5, 5. C, E, G, G. 1, 3, 5, 5. That's how that's going to work. Now, notice this. Okay, look at this phrase right here. This wig is quite fun. So we have G, C, B, A, D, Did I say G? I meant D, C, B, A. So that's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2. See here? 5, 4, 3, 2. So if we transpose this over to the C 5-finger scale, it's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2. So that would be G, F, E, D. I hope this makes sense. It's kind of hard to do that when I can't show you in person and there's no music written, but that's the whole purpose of transposing, is taking the same interval relationships here and then moving these over to this right here. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to black out the video. This is becoming a very long video, I understand. I'm going to play it one more time in the G, and then I'm going to play it in C. Okay, I'm not going to take the repeat for the moment. Okay? Here's how this can sound in the key of C, the C 5-finger scale. Okay, did you hear the difference in that? All right. If you have any major problems, just let me know, but really try to understand this whole concept up here. Okay, this transposing, because as you get older and become an adult and stuff, this stuff is really going to be advantageous for you to know. Okay, so learn this song and then see if you can play what's written, play that then in a different key, using the same type of intervals and so on. Okay? Have fun with the song. I'm going to sign off for now. Sorry, this is one of the longest videos. Bye.